Today we are solving Ingenuity 2. Over here we are given a rover and a helicopter. We have to give them certain directions, north, south, east and west, such that both of the devices must execute at least one instruction. And after all of those instructions which they are given, they must end up at the same point or determine that it is impossible. So over here, what you will think first of is, if there are two elements of the same kind, we can give one to the rover, one to helicopter. That is simple. But what if we have something like this? If I go north and then I come south, then both of those actions cancel out. So in the end, I'm at my same position. Same for east and west. If I go one east and go one west, then at the end I'm at the same position. So my location does not change. So over here we can give one slot to my helicopter and one slot to my rover. Okay. So taking this idea forward, what I will do is I will first calculate all the indexes north, south, east, west. After that I will first combine north and south. Okay. There are some norths and there are some souths. Wait a minute. Okay, then I will give one north and south combination to my rover, another combination to my helicopter, and so on. I will give one to my rover, one to my helicopter. After that, they, it may be possible that there are some norths left. There will be no souths left because I have paired all the souths with the north. So either some norths are left or some souths are left. I will give one to rover, one to helicopter, next to rover, next to helicopter, and so ahead. So over here, if there are odd number of knots, then my answer is straight no. And I will do the same procedure for east and west. First, I will combine east and west together. I will give one pair to rover, one pair to helicopter, and so on. I will complete all the pairs of east and west. After that, it may be possible that there are some easts left or some wests left. So I will give one to rover, one to helicopter, one to rover, one to helicopter, and so on. Okay, the code is quite simple. First, we put all north, south, west, east inside our indexes. After that, A contains north, B contains south. I am giving one pair to rover, one pair to helicopter. After that, what all are remaining? I am giving one to rover and the next to helicopter. If it is norths are left or if there are souths left, I am giving one to rover and the next one to helicopter. If odd are there, straight no. Okay. The same logic for south, so for east and west. Over here, what I do is I give one pair to rover, one pair to helicopter, one pair of north and south. Oh, sorry, east and west. And here, this is east. I give one to rover, the next one to helicopter. And down, this is for west. One for rover, next one to helicopter. If they are odd, straight no. At the end, I am counting the counts of rover and helicopter. If any one of them are 0, I print straight no, else I print my final answer. That's it. It's an easy code, easy to understand.